NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired these images using its onboard left navigation camera, Navcam. The camera is located high on the rover's mast and aids in driving. These pictures are acquired on July 8, 2021, Sol 136, at the local mean solar time of 17 hours 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Subscribe our channel Sci-find and hit bell icon for receiving the recent updates about new discoveries on the planet Mars.